What's up guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to convert a beautiful sari into a ruffle dress. So you can take any sari, two-tone sari or satin sari, whichever you like. So for this you need tie-ups, maybe some threads or elastic bands or elastic belt, anything which you like. So let's start the video. So first find the palla side and start making small pleats. Hold it onto your shoulder and tie it up with a thread. Repeat the process for the other side as well. Start making small pleats and hold it on your shoulder with the help of a tie. Wear an elastic or elastic belt on your waist. Hold the fabric in a way that underneath layer should be visible from outside. Then start making pleats like this. Hold one portion of the fabric between pinky finger and the thumbnail and another portion between forefinger and the middle finger. Then keep folding like this, keeping the hold between the fingers. Make 3-4 pleats and tuck it at the back in a way that upper layer should be outside. And make sure to put all the birch underneath the pleats. Now repeat the process for the other side. Make 2-3 pleats and tuck it at your back. Now make pleats for the rest of the fabric and tuck it at your waist. Now spread the pleats to cover your waist completely with the folds. Make sure to do it nicely and neatly. Secure the back slit with the safety pins. Now make the neckline maybe in V shape or sweetheart shape and secure the armhole as well. Now cinch your waist with a belt. And if you feel it's quite puffy from the back, then you can use steam press, but it is quite risky. Don't get yourself burned guys. Make sure to take others' help with this. It will give you clean look from back as well. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Insta account. Till then, stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.